Our immune system is a complex one, which involves many different parts of the body working in sync together. Our immune system shields our body against diseases, viruses, and infections. When working properly, the immune system identifies and attacks viruses, bacteria, and parasites, while separating them from the body's own defense tissue. What we tend to forget is that our gut is the center of the immune system. And that's why we need to keep this part of our body healthy. I'm going to share with you 5 super drinks which are packed with essential nutrients for everyday health. And we should all be drinking them every day in the morning. First, hot lemon and ginger tea. Drinking a huge glass of warm lemon water first thing in the morning is something I've been practicing for many years. Not only does it help with hydration, it is rich in vitamin C and also aids your digestion and soothe inflammation. Ginger is known to increase blood circulation, reduces pain, and can fight against infections, flu, and cough. Ginger helps flush out toxins in the colon, liver, and other organs, which supports the entire digestive process. To make this tea, slice 1 whole lemon in half. Squeeze the juice from 1/2 and slice the rest, either into a jar or 2 cups. Then thinly slice about 1 inch of a fresh ginger root and add it in. Fill the pot with about 1 cup of boiling water and leave it to steep for 3 minutes. If you want to, you may choose to sweeten it with a little bit of honey. This is a very easy immune-boosting tea recipe which you can make in large batches for you and your family to keep them healthy. The second drink is turmeric and ACV detox water. I'm sure we have all heard about the amazing health benefits of consuming turmeric, which is a root vegetable and spice used in many South Asia and Southeast Asian cuisine. The bright yellow pigment and active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, and it has powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties. Apple cider vinegar contains healthy bacteria and can help to keep our digestive system working properly. It can also help to lower blood sugar levels. To make this detox drink, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup into 1 cup of warm water. Stir it and drink it immediately. The next is my favorite, green smoothie. A vegetable-based green juice is a powerhouse of nutrients for a strong immune system. I like to make mine with spinach, celery, and tomatoes. These vegetables are bursting with vitamin A, K, C, calcium, iron, potassium, and magnesium. Drinking a glass of green smoothie in the morning is a great way to jam-pack your body with antioxidants and vitamins to kickstart your immune system. They are also very easy to make, filling, and can be a great breakfast. Plus, they are low in sugar. So in a blender, add about 1 cup of baby spinach, 1 stalk of celery, 1 sliced tomato, and 1 cup of water. Blend it up. The great thing is that you can mix it up and choose other leafy greens, or if you like it to be a little bit sweeter, then add in a fruit of your choice. Another great immune-boosting smoothie to make is a root smoothie, consisting of all root vegetables including beets, carrots, ginger, and turmeric. Inflammation is often an immune response to infections, which can cause flu or cold symptoms like runny nose, coughs, and body aches. This smoothie is one of the best recipes for colds. It can boost your immune system and decrease inflammatory symptoms. To make it, add 1 small cooked beet, 1 chopped carrot, an inch of root ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, and 1 cup of water. Blend it up. This smoothie is also extremely filling but low in sugar and packed with nutrients. And the final drink is simply water. Yup, something so simple that we often take it for granted. Water is essential regardless whether or not you want to keep your immune system healthy, as it keeps us hydrated, which keeps all the organs in our body functioning. Drinking enough water on a daily basis can help to flush out any toxins from the body, thus enabling the immune system to function as normal. Water also regulates our body's temperature, helps with nutrient absorption, and boosts our energy. Up to 60% of our body is water, so without it, you won't be living or functioning at your best. Hence, this is why I always emphasize on drinking at least 2 to 2.5 liters of water. More than 70% of our immune system is in your gut and forms the foundation of your health. If you want to remain healthy, your immune system should be working properly. It needs a solid dosage of vitamins and minerals daily to keep its vitality up and going. So be sure to incorporate these super drinks in your morning routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And do also check out my channel for a lot more daily workout videos to keep you active. So stay home, stay safe, and stay active. All the best!